Unraveling the Mystery. The meaning of red run. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special episode for you where we are going to explore the phrase, red run. This might not be a common phrase you encounter every day, but it's definitely an interesting one to delve into. So, let's get started and unravel its mystery together. The phrase, red run, is not a standard idiom or expression in English, and its meaning can vary based on the context in which it is used. It is a compound noun, where red is an adjective describing the noun run. Let's break it down. Red. This is a color, and in English, colors are often used metaphorically to convey different emotions, situations, or characteristics. Run. This can refer to a variety of actions, such as running, the physical activity, a period of time, a particular situation, or even a specific type of skiing slope. 2.1 Physical running. If someone says they are going for a red run, it might be that they have chosen a running path that is marked or known for its red features. It could be the color of the track, or perhaps the surrounding scenery. 2.2 Skiing slopes. In skiing, different slopes are marked with colors to indicate their difficulty level. A red run, in this context, refers to a slope that is more challenging than a blue slope but less challenging than a black slope. It's a way for skiers to understand the difficulty of the slope before they decide to take it on. 2.3 Metaphorical use. The phrase could also be used metaphorically to describe a situation. For instance, someone might say they are in a red run of luck, possibly indicating a mix of good and bad fortune. Now that we have explored the possible meanings, let's see how we can use red run in sentences. I decided to challenge myself and go for the red run slope this time. The track was a beautiful red run through the autumn forest. Lately, it feels like I'm on a red run of luck. Some days are good, and some are not. And there we have it, folks. We've covered the phrase, red run, and looked at the different contexts in which it might be used. Remember, the meaning of the phrase highly depends on the context, so always pay attention to that. We hope this video has been informative and helpful to you in understanding this unique phrase. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this useful, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.